There are two air cons in the apartment, one in the salon and another one in the bedroom. So they work independently. So you can select different temperatures. Therefore, there are two remote controls. To heating up, make sure the sun is selected. They are already set up to heat up. And the fan speed is set up in automatic, therefore the A. You can vary the temperature by pressing the buttons down or up. Please, when leaving a room, make sure you turn off the aircon. So if you are in the salon, you don't need to keep the aircon in the bedroom running, and the other way around. Thank you very much.